In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color in Inkscape. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you must have an image you want to change the color of. And by the way, if the image is like a PNG, like in my case, and nothing you do works, so no matter where you click and nothing happens, the first thing you should do is a quick little workaround. You want to click on Path up top, click on Trace Bitmap, select detection mode to brightness cutoff, and then go to the apply button at the bottom and just drag the new image down here, and then this is basically going to create a copy of your PNG image or whatever image you have. And now you can change the color down here at the very bottom. So as you can see, the color is changing as I'm changing colors. So that's the easiest way to actually change the color. However, if you'd like it to be more advanced, you could go to filters up top, hover over color, and then here you have a bunch of different things you can basically change regarding colors. So you could go to colorize, for example, and then basically just kind of change this tone. You could enable the live preview, and you can kind of play around with these colors however you like them to be, and just change it according to your own preference. So of course, that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.